Bringing the healthcare facilities to the doorsteps and to ensure continuity of the essential services to the people across the state, the Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department launched the Naga Telehealth platform in Kohima. Naga Telehealth is a virtual platform where patients can avail the service of doctors and specialists at the comfort of their homes virtually without having to visit any health centers. Inaugurating the Naga Telehealth services, Minister S. Pangyu Pom said that telemedicines have emerged as an innovative technology-based solutions for service delivery to the people in need, especially those families and communities living in the remote areas. Here's a report. The Nagaland government launched a telemedicine platform to enable people have access to qualified doctors for consultation, keeping in view of the difficulties faced by the patients in receiving proper medical facilities owing to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Launched in partnership with the USAID Nishtha Jepaigo, the platform is aimed at ensuring that even the people living in the most remote places have access to qualified medical practitioner and specialist. Inaugurating Naga Telehealth on the 9th of September at Kohima through virtual mode, Health Minister S. Pangyu Pom said that it was an important initiative which will benefit all of us, especially given the current pandemic situation. The minister said that in such times, telemedicine has emerged as an innovative technology-based solution for service delivery to the people in need, especially to those families and communities living in remote areas.
All health and wellness centers and the state through a hub and spoke model to reach the catchment population. I'm confident that with this important initiative, we will be able to ensure that quality, affordable healthcare services reach everyone in Nagaland.
He also stated that this platform will be established across all health and wellness centers in the states through a hub and spoke model to reach the catchment population. He said that with this important initiative, it will be able to ensure that quality, affordable healthcare services reach everyone in Nagaland, and acknowledged the USAID Nishtha Jepaigo for supporting the important initiative. Mission Director NHM Kivichusa Mevicru through video conference highlighted the telehealth platform and its working procedures. He said that the service will be launched in a phased manner and will rolled out in 82 sub-health centers, who will be connected to medical officers at PHCs and districts of Nagaland for general teleconsultation. There is also a provision of referral and teleconsultations with specialist doctors with support from Christian Institute of Health and Sciences and Research. While speaking on the occasion through video conference, Director Health Office USAID Sangeeta Patel emphasized on the importance of an affordable and accessible primary healthcare system, which will be better prepared to manage health threats in future.
This is an important telemedicine platform for all of us. It brings our ambitions together in terms of health and wellness, but truly in a digital connected world. Unfortunately, as COVID-19 cases continue to increase and the burden of patients and even people that are impacted today realize that in this world, we're going to have to find various means to be able to continue to access quality care and, of course, be able to link everyone.
Naga Telehealth is a virtual platform where patients can avail the services of doctors and specialists at the comforts of their home virtually without having to visit any health centers. The state government has developed this platform in partnership with U.S. Agency for International Development, Nishtha Jepaigo. With Insan Bemukhuvu, Kohima.